Good morning, everybody. It's me, Carlo Vlogs, and right now we're going to the campground to go camping.
Sausage, cheese, egg, McGriddle.
My mama, and this is my dad who was the driver today. We're almost there. 2 more hours. Uh-oh. That is it. Hey, whoa, everybody! It's me, Kwaiwa Vlogs, and Biff Duadwa Vlogs, and my dad. And today, we're at this very cool campsite, Ocean View, and yeah, it's pretty windy here, so bye!
Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
All I can say is that 9 out of 10, 9 star out of 10 stars.
I give 9.5 out of 10.
Ito, shower house. Shower house. Ah, di ba? Shower room.
Ang sarap pala mag-scooter. Pwede ba bumaba ron? What's up, YouTube? This is me again. Minsan lang ako mag-scooter, to naman. Let's go places!
I can see you!
Uh-oh.
Hey, time out!
Ooh!
All units, this is CT-12345. Reporting rebel alliance. Reporting rebels come over at the eastbound.
Oo nga eh. Bam 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 bam.
Bigat.
Lagay mo
Pang ako ano to, background na aquarium.
No?
Yun oh.
Gusto mo na dyan? Nilagyan mo. Bakit ako lang kanina? We're just walking to the restroom to go ligo. I mean, take a shower. Daddy stepped on a bug. The Carlo Vlogs. Subscribe to Carlo Vlogs, please. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
We just took a shower. You can see we're pretty fresh. We're just waiting on my mom so that we can go back to the tent and well, meet with the rest of the boys, you know?
YouTube, good morning, Carla Vlogs. You just woke up.
Hello!
Carlisle.
Hey guys.
Here at the beach.